Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to really quick make a frame for your photos using GIMP. I'm going to use the built-in border tool instead of a script or something like that to add a mat, but you can play around with whatever technique you'd like. So here I've got my photo open, it's my headshot, and I'm just going to add a really quick border to this. So we'll say Filter, Decor, Border, and it gives us the option to choose a color. I'm going to choose something that's a little bit close to the brown areas here. So maybe a little bit darker, something like that looks pretty good. And I'm going to set the size to probably 70 or so for the X and the Y. And the delta on the color is sort of the depth that it's going to give it. Alright, so we'll say OK. And there you go. And as you scroll down, you'll notice that it automatically changes the brown color as it gets to the top and the bottom of the photo. I can zoom out just or make the frame just a little bit bigger so you can see this. And this really quickly gives you a nice border for any photo. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to create a frame for your photos in GIMP. I'm Josiah Ray.